Hey guys, welcome back to the stream. So I decided to buy the pullback here, which recovers our loss for today. Took a long on the Dow. I'm gonna go ahead and book that. Took a long on the Nas. 20 contracts, which was our next position size on the reversal hedge. So now it's booked. I went out for a walk, cleared my head after taking that loss. Wanted to come back and trade a good trade setup. Yeah. And what that consisted of was waiting for the market to do the type of setups that I normally trade: a pump, a pullback, and then a continuation. So let's go ahead and update our trade history, and you'll see that I got a little bit of slippage here, but I got in right here for the long back to VWAP. Yeah. And the Dow, we're going to go ahead and look at our trade history. And that was a short scalp. That was a break of VWAP, which was in line with this. I got a little bit of slippage there too. Slippage in my favor, which is odd. I'm looking into the technical issues with the stream. I know that there was some buffering. There was some distraction there earlier today. I was not in the zone. It's been challenging to come here and stream this and try and focus on trading at the same time thinking about what I'm going to say, how I'm going to trade, and trading for the stream instead of trading for myself. Yeah, those are all things that go through my mind as I'm taking these trades. So I have to recalibrate and take a step back, because what I did today, this morning, I took a look at what I was doing. There was no area of invalidation here for me to go long. Yeah. And I knew that it was choppy. I knew that it was sideways. I should have stayed out of it. Instead, I should have gone here on the Dow and bought the breakout of this back up to the level, which is normally what I trade. I'm not sure why I was so hesitant to pull the trigger this morning. And just looking at my performance, it hasn't been the same as when I trade in private. However, that being said, I wanted you guys to come back on here and see this trade and see the other trade setup. You can see my trades here. I didn't take any other trades. I let the market fall. I didn't chase it. And then I waited for a setup to take me in the other direction with the appropriate lot size that would have been next in our continuation pattern, or contract size, I should say. You're not trading Forex. In the continuation pattern of reversal. So that eats up my losses and puts me at a nice, very, very nice gain for the day. This was a way to come back. We'll see what tomorrow brings. I don't intend to trade the FOMC. I'm going to let it be, but I wanted you guys to see that I'm, even though I was frustrated, I'm happy I took the loss and I stopped streaming and I stopped trading, cleared my head, came back and found a setup that was worth taking. Yeah. And that takes discipline. And I wanted to share that with you guys, because as long as you preserve capital, there's always a way to come back and trade the markets. No one is perfect. We're trading against the best out there, the best hedge funds, best algos, the best institutional traders, and why not the best retail traders. And so with that, I want to leave you guys with these setups here, marked up on the chart. You can see my entry. I booked it here with you guys. I just wanted you guys to see it. And yeah, just keep this in mind. We could take losses, but those losses have to be within our loss parameters, our allowable risk tolerance. And I'm not very good at speaking about risk management, but I did want you guys to see that it is possible to come back from a 50-point loss, as an example, yeah, and on a larger position, if you step back and you come back and you trade how you're supposed to trade. The Dow was a little bit bigger. That was 2 contracts. I'm sure you saw it on the stream. If not, you could go back and and take a look, and the NQ was 20 contracts. So that eats up my loss for the day and leaves me with a very, very nice profit for today. All right, guys, that's all. I'm going to continue researching the streaming problem and the software problem, and just want to touch base, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. See ya.